MP Repairs presents the screen removal on a Nokia N95. Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using these directions at your own risk. Performing this repair will void your warranty. This video is copyright MP Repairs. To remove the screen on a Nokia N95, you will need a T-5 Torx star-type screwdriver, a separation tool of some kind, and possibly a pair of tweezers. To begin, make sure it is completely switched off. Make sure it's completely off. Once you're sure that it's off, turn the unit upside down and slide the screen up. Once you've slid the screen up, you will see that there are two screws, here and here. Using your T5 screwdriver, remove these two screws. And place them in a safe place. We don't want to lose them. Once you've removed these two screws here, slide the phone back to its original position, then slide it to the opposite direction to reveal the other two screws, here and here. Remove these screws also and put them in a safe place. Don't worry about getting them mixed up, as they are all the same. If you find that they don't come out, or if you haven't got a magnetic screwdriver, you can always use the tweezers to lift them out with. Once you've removed the screws, turn the phone over, slide the screen back to its original position. Then take your pry tool of some kind and insert along this edge here. Insert along the gap. Start at the top and just gently prise it up on that side until you're sure there's a nice gap. Turn the unit round and insert in the same point along the other side to release. Just apply a little gentle pressure on the screen as you do, and the front case will lift up like so. And that is just your standard front metal housing, which also incorporates the earpiece speaker. If you need to change that, it's a bit tricky to come out, but it does come out. You just lever it out. Place that off to one side for safety. Before we can remove the LCD, we need to remove this keypad here. Ever so simple, it just lifts up like so. That is just your standard button membrane. Place that off to one side. Now we'll need to release the actual keypad itself. The best way I've found to do this is underneath this edge here, around where these little 4 brass contacts are at the top. Insert your safe pry tool here and just lift it up. As you can see, it's just sprung open, like so. It's just sprung open. Fold it back and it will reveal the connector for the LCD. Now, depending on which model you have, it'll be a different style of connector. If it's the 8 gig model, it will have a push down connector, which is like a plug connector that you push down onto the circuit board. All the other models have a little hinge right at the back here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Just right at the back here, this little metal hinge. What to do is take your safe pry tool, just in underneath it, and just lift it, push it over all the way until it's right the way over and you can't push it any further. Once you've done that, insert your safe pry tool underneath the ribbon and make sure the glue, there's a little tiny amount of adhesive just there. Next, in under this front edge here, insert your safe pry tool, lift the screen up and pull towards the top of the foam. Do not bend the connector. As you'll see, the LCD has just come away. And that is your standard LCD for the Nokia N95 with its FPC connector on there. This tells me that this is the non 8GB version. It is the larger size models. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and I'll endeavour to get some more on here soon. Thank you very much for watching.